Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम आरिफ मंसूरी है and I'm the host of the Mansoori Show, the show that is best described as मिलाऊंगा, बताऊंगा, दिखाऊंगा. Your link to everything Pakistani is straight from California, the Mansoori Show. नाज़रीन, आज हम मौजूद हैं फेडरल बिल्डिंग डाउनटाउन के सामने, जहां पे पाकिस्तानी निसाद डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद ने अपनी कैंडिडेंसी फॉर लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया का अनाउंस किया. उसको इस तकरीब को अटेंड करने के लिए बहुत बड़ी तादाद में लोग जमा हुए, जिसमें अमेरिकन्स और पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन्स और बहुत सारी एथनिटीज़ के लोग यहाँ मौजूद थे और उनके इस अनाउंसमेंट को लोगों ने बहुत सराहा. आज हम आपको इस तकरीब की झलकियाँ दिखाएंगे. उसके अलावा हम आपको जो यहाँ पे हाज़रीन थे उनके कमेंट्स सुनाएंगे इस इवेंट के बारे में. डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद पहले पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन हैं जो कि इस लेवल पे पॉलिटिक्स में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं. तो आइए इस प्रोग्राम की रिपोर्ट मुलाहिजा फरमाइए.
पाकिस्तानी निसाद डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद ने हाल ही में कैलिफोर्निया के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लेने का ऐलान किया. डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद का ताल्लुक़ पंजाब के एक गांव खारियां से है. उन्होंने 1987 में सिंध मेडिकल कॉलेज से मेडिकल की डिग्री हासिल की और उसके बाद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ केंटकी लेक्सिंगटन से रेजिडेंसी कंप्लीट की. वो एक पल्मोनोलॉजिस्ट हैं एंड ही इज़ अ डॉक्टर ऑफ इंटरनल मेडिसिन और वो पिछले 17 साल से लॉस एंजल्स के कई अस्पतालों में अपनी खिदमात सरअंजाम दे रहे हैं. डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद का ताल्लुक़ डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी से है और वो हेल्थ केयर फॉर ऑल, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड इक्वलिटी फॉर ऑल पर बिलीव रखते हैं. डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद और उनकी वाइफ मिसेस नौशाबा live near Los Angeles with their 3 kids. Dr. Mahmood has played leading roles in philanthropic efforts for non-profit organizations such as UNICEF and East Los Angeles College. He also volunteers at a free clinic in North Hollywood. डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद का कहना है कि वो प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के लिए ट्रिपल थ्रेट हैं because he is a Muslim and he is from California. अगर डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद इस इलेक्शन में कामयाब होते हैं तो वो पहले मुसलमान होंगे that would hold a statewide office in California.
Before we get Dr. Mahmood to speak, I want to introduce one of his patients, Miriam Jackson.
Good afternoon. Dr. Mahmood is my husband's primary doctor, amen, and we are here to celebrate, and I have seen Dr. Mahmood care for his patients so deeply. When my husband got sick, he was always there to answer us. My husband got sick 8 months ago, then emergency, suddenly he got sick a week ago. And Dr. Mahmood has been there for me and my family, my children, night and day, answering questions, keeping us calm. And also Dr. Mahmood, Lieutenant Governor of State California. And now he is using his compassion and enthusiasm to help all of the people in California. So it's my pleasure to introduce the next Lieutenant Governor of the State of California, Hasif Mahmood.
Ma'am, thank you so much. You are always so kind and you are always so patient. Dr. Banta is here. He is part of the credit who is saving very.
Speak louder, please.
Friends, family, colleagues, and long-time supporters of great causes. Good afternoon and thank you. I'm here to announce my candidacy for Lieutenant Governor of California. As a Muslim immigrant from the great blue state of California, I'll be triple threat to Donald Trump. I'm running for office to fight against him and fight for our families.
Yes.
Let me tell you about myself and why I am running. I was born and raised in a small village in rural Pakistan. I went to very basic and primitive schools, yet I still had the urge to learn and progress. My father had always dreamed of becoming a doctor, but he was forced to quit school at an early age. Instead, he passed his doctor dream on to me. My parents were poor, but they sacrificed so I could go to medical school. And because I became doctor, I was able to come to America, the place I had always dreamed of living. I wanted to live in America because of my children. I wanted them to grow up in a place that celebrates diversity and tolerance. And that is exactly what I have found in California, and today's crowd is real testament to that. My work, I have practiced medicine for 17 years. My work as doctor has been based on the idea helping others is our highest calling. That's why I'm running to continue my work to helping others. Here are my 3 top priorities: healthcare, education, and standing up to Donald Trump. First, healthcare. I see how hard it is for many families to afford healthcare. I have personally treated thousands of underprivileged patients without ever asking any reimbursement. Because of my experience, I support Medicare for all. And I will fight to protect Obamacare. Second, education. I wouldn't be here without the education I received. Every American child deserves that chance. That's why I support free community college. And investing in our public schools. Third, standing up to Donald Trump's hate. I am a proud Muslim and I love America. But Donald Trump continues to attack people like me, immigrants, people of color, and Muslims. I say President Trump has it all wrong. It's time to get tough on hate. California must be the leader of the Trump resistance, and I will fight him every step of the way. And I hope that I can get your full support, and I hope you can join me against the fight against hate, division, and bigotry. Once again, I thank you very much and appreciate your support.
Hi, how are you? Congratulations. I'm Alex Mike.
Would you please state your name and tell me why you are supporting Dr. Asif Mahmood?
My name is Jacqueline Connor. I'm an educator, and I met Dr. Mahmood years ago in East LA. I feel like his commitment to public service and social justice is just as warm and true as his character. I just recently reconnected with him and was thrilled to find out the news that he was running. I think he's truly a phenomenal candidate and is going to put the needs of the people that need his voice the most first.
Do you believe in the message that he gave out today, the platform that he's running on his healthcare and education and fighting against Trump's agenda of bigotry? So what do you think about that?
I absolutely support it. It's why I'm here. It's why I'm excited. It's why I'm getting people to be excited about it with me. I think beyond the obvious, which is his support for education, I think the real message that's going to promote this groundswell of support and a real grassroots movement behind him is his campaign against hate, not specifically against Trump, but certainly what he represents, because Dr. Mahmood is all love, and I really do believe, contrary to what 2016 showed us, that's going to be what wins this time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है आलिया अली, मेरे साथ हैं इमरान अली और सबा अली। आज हम यहाँ पे जमा हुए हैं, डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर कैलिफोर्निया के लिए। बहुत अच्छा मौका है हम सब के लिए यहाँ पे कि ऐसे मौके पे हम जमा हुए। हम सब अमेरिका में रह रहे हैं पिछले 20-25 साल से, अब एक चेंज का वक्त आ गया है और हम आसिफ से बेहतर कैंडिडेट हो नहीं सकता। खुलूस दिल से वो इस चीज़ में यकीन करते हैं कि चेंज आए, तब्दीली आए, ना सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए, बाकी सब के लिए। जितनी माइनॉरिटीज़ यहाँ पे हैं, हम सब अमेरिकन हैं और हम सब ये चाहते हैं कि सब लोग निकल के आएँ, वोट करें एक नए कैंडिडेट के लिए, जो कि हम सब के लिए हमारी तालीम, हमारी इकॉनमी और हर चीज़ों में एक हमारी नुमाइंदगी होनी चाहिए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, इमरान अली, डॉक्टर इमरान अली। हम लोग आसिफ के साथ मेडिकल स्कूल में थे और वहाँ से हम लोग इसके फॉलो कर रहे हैं। इत्तेफाक से जब ये अमेरिका आए तो हम लोग बॉस्टन में भी साथ रहे, फिर यहाँ LA में भी इनके साथ बहुत अरसे से टाइम गुजारा है और हमने इनको ग्रो करते देखा है एज अ पर्सन, एज अ लीडर। एंड आई थिंक इस वक्त इनसे बेहतर कोई अच्छा और कैंडिडेट नहीं है जो इस पोजीशन के लिए हमारे एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न को के जवाब दे सकेंगे। सो आई विश हिम बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड विल वर्क फॉर हिम कि ये इस पोजीशन के लिए जीत जाएं। Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sabah Ali, and Dr. Asif Mahmood has been like a mentor to me, and I think it's very exciting to see someone of Pakistani descent, Muslim, run for this position, especially in today's current political climate. And so I think for all of the first generation, Pakistani Muslim American youth, this is very, very inspiring, and I think it encourages us all to really follow our dreams in the future. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद की अनाउंसमेंट आज के वो अपकमिंग इलेक्शन में लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया के इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। हमारे प्रोग्राम में वक्त हुआ है अब एक छोटे से वक्फे का, देखते रहिए। वी विल बी राइट बैक। नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं हमारी रिपोर्ट डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद के अनाउंसमेंट पे कि वो कैलिफोर्निया के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। इस अनाउंसमेंट को जैसे कि आपने हमारी रिपोर्ट में अब तक देखा, बहुत लोगों ने अटेंड किया और इसको सराहा। आइए इस रिपोर्ट का बाकी हिस्सा मुलाज़ा फरमाइए। यू अनाउंस्ड यू आर रनिंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म, यू डिक्लेयर्ड 3 एजेंडा आइटम्स मेन। एक तो आपने हेल्थ केयर, एक एजुकेशन और एक जो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की हेट जो स्टैंड्स हैं उनके ख़िलाफ़ आपने कहा। तो ज़रा आप अपना जो स्टैंड है इस इलेक्शन में वो ज़रा वाज़ेह कीजिए।
देखिए जी, एजुकेशन इज़ अ प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, वन ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर हैज़। ही सिट्स ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ UC and we have to work on education in California. Healthcare has been my bread and butter and my 24-hour job for the last 17 years. I have done a lot of work on healthcare in California, and I think I can take good work to the state. When I say that stand up to Donald Trump's hateful agenda, that is any hateful agenda he has against immigrants, against Muslims, against people of color, against women, or anything else. We completely oppose his ban on Muslim countries on the base of the God they worship, or we completely oppose his ideas where he wants to discriminate people because of their religion or culture or their color.
Dr. Mahmood, you have been very active in politics for many years now. You were very involved in the Hillary Clinton campaign in the last election, presidential elections. So what has your experience been in politics so far?
The experience is very positive. I am very proud to work for Hillary Clinton, and she ran a great campaign. And I have learned a lot, and I'm going to bring my experience of last 2 decades to this position. And I think I'm in a unique position who has gone through very basic and primitive schools in Pakistan and come here and got the higher education and worked in the most advanced areas. On healthcare, I have a first-hand experience of treating the patient, managing them, managing their families, and get the solutions for them. So I think I stand in a very unique situation where my expertise and my skills are really great for the state of California.
Dr. Mahmood, you are, of course, a Pakistani-born citizen of United States. California is a very diverse, community here. यहाँ पे काफ़ी जो हैं एथनिक बैकग्राउंड के लोग मौजूद हैं और ख़ास तौर पे जो कि मैक्सिकन अमेरिकन्स हैं वो यहाँ पे बड़ी तादाद में हैं. उसके अलावा और भी कई जो मुख्तलिफ नेशनलिटीज़ हैं यहाँ पर बहुत रिप्रेजेंटेड हैं. आप अपने इलेक्शन के जो चांसेस हैं उसके बारे में हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट रनिंग इन कैलिफोर्निया एज द लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया?
Well, I feel great, and you could see the crowd today. There were blacks and whites, there were Latinos and Asians, there were Pakistanis and there are Indians, and there are people of different faith, Christians and Hindus and Muslims and Jews. And I have worked with all these people for the last 17 years in the state of California, and all those people know my qualities, my character, and my credentials, and my leadership skills, and that's why they are standing with me. And I get calls. I have been getting calls all day, and I think I will go and work in smaller communities, and they will realize that how assetful I am for the state of California.
Dr. Mahmood, there is a precedence. अभी जो हमारे past elections में Kamala Harris won as senator. Of course, Kamala Harris has the South Asian heritage. And तो ये पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी के लिए पहली दफ़ा होगा कि हमारा कोई कम्युनिटी मेंबर reaches this level in the government, in the politics. तो आप क्या समझते हैं कि आपको जो बाकी यहाँ पर communities हैं they will get behind you?
Say, first of all, I'm a proud Muslim, I'm a proud immigrant, and I'm proud Pakistani American. And again, I say the crowd you saw over here today and the crowd you will see and the communities I've been working, they're not only Pakistanis, and I'm not running this race on the basis of race or where you belong from. I'm running this race on the issues. I'm running on this based on the credentials. And I think Californians are educated enough and very progressive people who will support anybody who can solve their problems and who can make this state better.
Would you have a message for Californians in general?
I will say, first and foremost, let's get tough on hate. We should stop division. We should stop hatred. We should stop bigotry. We should be united, and united we can do better job, and united we can make this state and this country better.
Thank you so much and good luck, sir.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर नदीम तारिक. मैं लॉस वेगस से आया हूँ स्पेशली टू सपोर्ट डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद. तो आई थिंक डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद is a great choice to run for the Lieutenant Governor of California, one of the most important state in the United States, and this is the right time. He is the right candidate. He has got a lot of experience. इनकी जो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक जो रूट्स हैं दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड और ये इनसे बेहतर जो कैंडिडेट है वो हो नहीं सकता इन द करंट सिनेरियो दैट वी हैव when we all are threatened as a minorities and we all love America, and he's a best candidate and we fully support him. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum ji. We are here to support Dr. Asif. He's a very good friend of ours and he's done a lot of work for the community. तो आज हम सारे उसको support करने के लिए इधर आए हैं. माशाल्लाह से उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे काम किए हैं कम्युनिटी के लिए or now he's running for Lieutenant Governor for California, and we wish him the best. And inshallah, सब लोगों की support के साथ, he is going to be the next Lieutenant Governor of कैलिफोर्निया। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग सब आएँ और डॉक्टर आसिफ को सपोर्ट करें, और जिस तरह भी हो सकता है, morally, financially, however you can, please support him, and inshallah let's make a big change and see Dr. Asif as our next Lieutenant Governor. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं to support Dr. Asif Mahmood for his Lieutenant Governor seat for California, and I believe that if anybody needed to run, especially from our ethnicity, Middle Eastern, Pakistani or Muslims, now was the time, now is the time to do that. And I'm so thrilled and excited that he is taking this challenge and running for this seat. So I really wish him best of luck, and I really hope that we will have a strong campaign running throughout till the elections, and we'll have a victory, because like I said, we need to fight against whatever the Donald Trump is spreading, the hate, the bigotry and division throughout the country. Thank you very much.
Would you tell me why you're supporting Dr. Asif Mahmood?
Sure. I think he's a great candidate. He cares about every Californian. He believes in public education and being a doctor. He's very involved with healthcare reform and already knows the system.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Maida Mahmood, and I am Dr. Asif Mahmood's daughter. I'm supporting Dr. Mahmood because he has a lot of experience in politics, supporting other candidates, and he is he does a lot of work outside of medicine, besides politics, like with and stuff in other organizations. And I just think right now is a good time, especially for Muslims, to come out and to support this cause, because we need to be united, especially now because of the intimidating you got to do it.
मेरा नाम हनादी नदीम है। एक्चुअली हम लोग आज इधर आए हैं टू सपोर्ट डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद, जो कि लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के लिए खड़े हो रहे हैं कैलिफोर्निया स्टेट से। तो ये जो काम कर रहे हैं ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ नीडेड राइट नाउ, दिस इज़ द नीड ऑफ द टाइम, चूँकि हमें इतना मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को और ऑल द माइनॉरिटीज़, वी आर फेसिंग सच अ बिग थ्रेट in this era. So I want all of you to come forward and support Dr. Asif Mahmood. It is very, very important, and I think this is the duty of all the minorities, especially the Muslim community, to come forward and support him, because whatever he is doing, this is something not ordinary, this is very exceptional. और चूँकि इतनी ये बड़ी बात है, इसमें हमें यूनाइटेड होने की बहुत ज़रूरत है, लीव ऑल द डिफरेंसेस बिहाइंड, इसमें हमें सपोर्ट करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है एक दूसरे को। और मेरी आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि जितना अच्छा काम वो कर रहे हैं, हम एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करें, हम इनकी भी हेल्प करें, और साथ में अपनी कम्युनिटी से भी कहें कि और भी जो टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, दोज हु कैन डू दैट एंड हु हैज़ द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डूइंग दैट, दे शुड कम फॉरवर्ड एंड डू इट। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
नाज़रीन, आपने मुलाज़ा फरमाई हमारी रिपोर्ट डॉक्टर आसिफ महमूद, जो कि पाकिस्तानी बॉर्न अमेरिकन हैं, उनकी अनाउंसमेंट आज के वो कैलिफोर्निया के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के लिए इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। और उम्मीद है आपको ये प्रोग्राम पसंद आया होगा। हमें अपनी आरा से आगाह करते रहिए। आपके स्क्रीन पे जो एड्रेस है उस पर हमें अपने कमेंट, अपने फीडबैक भेजते रहिए। और हमारे प्रोग्राम की पिछली एपिसोड्स को देखने के लिए प्लीज़ विज़िट pakistanlink.com/ARY। हमारे प्रोग्राम का वक्त अब ख़त्म हुआ। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।